What, guys? That's right. Today is CDRA. They're in Mokan. So I am getting ready to get the truck hooked up to the trailer. And got to tell you something. I'm going alone. So stay tuned for that. Okay, guys, you can tell the trailer is hooked up behind me. What you don't see to the right of me, you don't see my dad. Okay. The reason why you don't see my dad is he had shoulder surgery. So that means he's not coming. In fact, he had shoulder surgery this week on a Monday or Tuesday. No, Tuesday. So anyway, he's in recovery mode right now. So he will not be attending this race for sure. I think I got one more race toward the, I think it's the end of next week. Then after that, I think we're done for the year. So Thanksgiving race is kind of up in the air with that. But for right now, definitely this weekend and the following weekend. So with this coming weekend, I'm definitely going to be in two classes. I will be running Super Pro and No E with the bigger tires. So that's why we need to get up there and do some tests tonight and see how my reactions change with the bigger tires. Hopefully they got better. So anyway, hopefully no reds. So with that, let's go ahead and get on to the track. But before we do that, we got to get to our famous stop. And for the people who've been watching the channel for a while, you know what that stop is. For people who have not been watching the channel, stay tuned. We'll be there shortly. Okay, just got back from Sonic, and here comes the reveal. Guess what? Same thing. Go Sonic, we're sporting schools. I think they're on fall break this week. Anyway, just still a good cause. So it's a bag, and it has a bag of goodies. And here we go, Pops. You're missing these out. Onion rings. That's right. These things are delicious. Anyway, let's get all this stuff laid out and get some food. Get myself set up here before I hit the road. And let's get on to the track. Yeah, the last time of going down this road, it was wet. Yep, but as you can tell, sunny. As you can tell, it's a nice beautiful day here at Mokan. Yep, made it to the track. It's coming up here in view. The trees are changing. Definitely it's fall, and it's definitely CDRA time. So anyway, let's get into the track. Let's get the car out of the trailer and get set up for the weekend. Looking forward to it. Lot of rigs here in line to pay. We're backed out to the street a little bit. It's only 1:30. So I think with a beautiful weekend, man, it brought out a lot of racers for sure. So anyway, okay, I'll probably make another 2 or 3 hits tonight. That gives about 5 or 6 tonight. I think the 28-inch tall tires are doing good, but we'll find out if they're going to do any better. So we're going to go up there and make a few more passes. Sorry, the sunset, and see how it goes. So get loaded up. Oh yeah, breakfast time. Better yet, breakfast time with the car in the trailer. Good morning from Mokan. You can tell it is morning. Today's schedule. Gates open at 8. First time trot 9. Then 1 round of qualifying. Then we go right into elimination. Okay, guys, we are done qualifying for right now. Only 1 round of qualifying for each class today. So I'm going to be going live with my YouTube if everything goes good. So you'll see that. If you're watching this video, you might go to my other video and look online for my go live with the YouTube. It's strictly going to be the in-car camera looking at me and somewhat outside. I'm not going to be pointing too much down the track. So hopefully all goes well. .05 red against a 61. Half a pound or so out of the front might have helped. So we are done for no E for today. We do still have Super Pro round 2 coming up here shortly, so it is what it is. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that live feed on my first and second round. Second round on no E and first round on Super Pro. Something I wanted to try just to see. It's a different perspective, what goes on inside the car, not as much as on the outside. If you want to see what's going on outside of the car, you just need to watch these videos and it'll show you what's been going on in the car. I'm sticking with my 660 dial. It ran 62 in that no E, but I think they just VHT the track right before we went down, so I think some of it was VHT issue. The back half ran good. The front half is just kind of slow getting out of the hole. So I think we should be good. Like I said, no E typically leaves harder. If anything, it might run at 61, but I'm going to keep it 60 on it just to make sure. So with that, second round coming up here for Super Pro. Number. I mean, I can't complain about that. Ran a 660 on a 660 dial. It was a good dial, it just did not. Okay guys, well, that's a wrap for the day. Wish it came out better than it did, but it didn't. Just, it's kind of how my season been. But tell you what, I'm enjoying myself up here. The bigger tires, I think, are helping a little bit. I think I need to adjust on the box just a little bit more, so I won't go red on that. I'll put some delay in the box. Still like that. Get through the first round tomorrow at least. But the no E, you'll probably make some pressure adjustments on the front tires, bring those down a little bit. So tomorrow it's basically, we go right to eliminations first round, then buybacks if you win. You know, if you don't win, you buy back in. So it's gonna go really quick tomorrow. But that's it now for my video here at CDRA in Mokan. If you like it, link it, share it, do what you need to. Do appreciate the people watching it. If you have not seen any of my live video feeds from today, go click on the link that says live.